Hello. Today I am going to show you how to find and look up your Green River email from the Green River website. The first thing you need to do is open the internet. The second thing you need to do is go to the Green River home page. This is how you do that. First, you type the word green, then type river, period, EDU. Enter. This is the Green River homepage. This is what it looks like. There are two important parts to this page. The first part is the search button. The second part is called quick links. For today, I am going to use the search button. When you click on it, this page will open. It says search. I will write look up space my email. Enter. Then I will click on this page. Look up my student email address. It will ask you 3 questions. Number 1, your last name. Number 2, your birthday. Number 3, your student ID. Your last name must be written the exact same way that it is written on your registration paperwork. If you have a hyphen, which looks like this, make sure you write that. Then you enter your birthday. For this part, there will be 6 numbers. 2 of the first numbers will be for your month. For example, if you were born in January, you would write 01. The next part is the day. If you were born on January 2, you would write 0102. And the last part are the last 2 numbers of the year you were born. Finally, you enter your student ID. Your student ID will always start with 840. It is always It is always 9 numbers long. When you finish entering these 3 blank spaces, push Get Your Email Address, and it will show you your Green River email. Make sure you write it down.
How to use Green River email. First, go to the website greenriver.edu. greenriver.edu. Then, click on the quick links. Then find the student email option and click on it. Now type in your Green River email address. Your Green River email address ends in mail.greenriver.edu. Then click Next. Now you need to type your password. Your password is your student ID number. Then click Sign in. You will enter some more information. Your country and region is the United States, and then you need to enter your birth date. Choose your month, day, and the year you were born. Then press Next. Now you will need to enter some security information. You can choose an alternate email address like Gmail or Hotmail or Yahoo, or you can use a phone number. A phone number is the easiest option. To use a phone number, choose the United States and your phone number with the area code. Then press Next. You will get a text message with a code. Please type this code on your computer and click Next. Now make a new password. First, type your current password. This is your student ID number. Then make a new password. Your new password needs 8 characters. A character is a letter, number, or symbol. Now enter your password again. Your password should be easy for you to remember. You can also write your password on a piece of paper. Then click Save. Now you can check your emails. Look in your inbox for new messages. Look in the Focused folder to find important emails. The school will send you emails about important college information, so please check your email often.
Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to log onto Canvas on a computer. So the first thing you need to do is you need to open the internet. I use Google Chrome, but you can use any type of internet you like. After you open the internet, you need to go to greenriver.edu. So this is how we spell that. greenriver.edu. It's very important that you use a period and not a comma. I'm going to push enter now, which means it'll take me to the website that I typed in. After we get to the Green River website, it should look like this. Sometimes, if the screen is smaller, it might look like this. But I need the green box here that says Quick Links. So I'm going to make the screen bigger. There's a few ways you can do that. For me, since I have a Mac, I push this button. But for you, it might look different. If it looks different, you might be able to drag the screen to make it bigger. After you make it bigger, there should be a box that says Quick Links. This is what it looks like here. QUICKLINKS. That's the box we want to click on now. When I click on that box, there's a few different choices. I want the second choice, called Canvas. This is where you will do most of your work. When you get to Canvas, it will ask you for two things. Number one, your Green River email address. Number two, for the password, it will ask for your student ID number. Your email address ends with @mail, Green River, edu. That's what the end of the email looks like. The beginning will be given to you by your teacher. Usually, it will have the first letter of your first name and your last name. It might have a few numbers, and it might have a hyphen. This is a hyphen if you have two last names. So I'm going to log on with my email to show you what Canvas will look like. Then you need to log on with your ID number. Most ID numbers start with 840. ID numbers are always 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers long. If you have more black dots here, it's not correct. Then I'm going to push log in. Ooh, what happened? Let's push refresh. Okay, when you log in, you might see a few different choices here if you have attended classes at Green River before. But the class that you want to click on will say Spring 2020. That's your class for this quarter. Click on the class and you'll see a few different choices that your teacher will tell you more about. Thank you. Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to send a message in Canvas. So the first thing is you need to be logged on to Canvas. It will probably look like this. On the left, you'll see a few different choices here. Account shows you information about you and how to log out. Dashboard looks like this. It shows past classes that you have taken at Green River, and it shows you classes you have taken now. Courses shows you all of the courses you have ever been enrolled in. Calendar shows you the date, what day it is today. For this, we want to find Inbox. Inbox is the next one. This is what Inbox looks like. I want to send a message to my teacher. So how do I do that? The first thing I need to do is I need to find a square with a pencil inside of it. It looks like this. It's the first choice that you'll see here. When I put my mouse over it, it says compose a new message. Compose means make. So we want to make a new message here. So I'll click on compose a new message, and this white box will pop up. Now we need to find the name of the person we want to send a message to. So if you are sending a message to the teacher who is teaching your class for spring, you should find your class for spring. Click on Select Course. Click on Favorite Courses, or More Courses if you do not have this choice, and find the option that says ELL020 or whatever the number is. It should say Spring 20. That's the one you want. Then start typing the name of the person you want to send a message to. I do not have anybody in my class right now, so you will not see any names pop up. But for most of the time, you can start typing the first name of the person you are sending a message to, and you will see their name come up below. This is where you type what the message is about, and here is where you write the message. When you are finished, click Send. Hello. Today I am going to show you how to join your Zoom class from Canvas on a computer or laptop. So at this point you should be logged on to Canvas. There are two ways to join a Zoom class. The first way to join a Zoom class is to look on the left-hand side for the blue letters that say Zoom. I am going to click on Zoom. Your teacher will tell you when your Zoom class is, but for this class, it is at 9 o'clock on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So on Wednesday, I will click Join. When I click Join, a new tab will open on the top. If you want it to always automatically open, you can click this button that says Always Allow. Then click Open Zoom.us. And here is my class. The second way to join a Zoom meeting, if I am on Canvas, sometimes your teacher will put a link that says, Join our Zoom meeting. You can also click on this link. Again, you can say Always Allow and open Zoom.
Now I'm going to open Canvas on my phone. The app says Student. It's red and white. I'm going to click on Student. I need to find my school. Click on Find My School. My school name is Green River Community College. I need to type it in. G-R-E-E-N space R, and you can see Green River Community College. Please click on Green River. Now I'm at the Canvas page. I'm going to use my Green River email and my student number to open Canvas.
Hello, today I'm going to show you how to download the Zoom application on an iPhone. So the first thing that you need to do is open the application store or the app store. And to do that, one easy way is to swipe down on your phone and type APP. and you will see a white triangle with blue around it. So I will click on it. On the bottom, you'll see a few options. I want the button that says Search with a magnifying glass. I am going to click the search bar and type Zoom. This is how you spell Zoom. Z-O-O-M. And then I will push search on the bottom. Okay. One of the first choices says Zoom Cloud Meetings. For you, it might say Get, so you will choose that button that says Get, but for me, it has a little cloud, which is essentially the same. So I will download Zoom. And then click Open. When it's time to join a meeting, you might have the Canvas app, and you can join Zoom from your phone. Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to join a Remind class after your teacher has sent you a message. So first you need to go to your messages. When you go to your messages, you should see a message from this number, 81010. This is the message. It says, I'm using Remind to send important updates. Reply yes to this text now to avoid missing my messages for test class level 1. So, I need to reply yes. Now, I need to reply with my birthday. For my birthday, it wants me to type the year first. Then, it wants me to type the month. Then, it wants me to type the day. Since I was born on the 9th, I need to type a 0 before that. Now I'll push send. It says you've joined class level 1. Hi, today I'm going to show you how to send a message on Remind and how to reply to a message on Remind. So the first thing you need is to make sure you have the Remind app, which looks like this. It's a white bubble with blue around it. I'm going to click on Remind now. Here's my class. I have a message from Tracy, so I'm going to click on that message. In the blue, you'll see my messages, what I said. In the white, you'll see what the other person said. Here I can reply. That's how you send a message on Remind. You can also send pictures on Remind. Click on the picture of the camera here, and you'll be able to send a picture. You can also send a voice message by clicking on the microphone here. When you're finished, you can return, and you'll see a message pop up here. It'll turn a different color when someone has sent you a new message.